Good morning, everybody! Today I have a very exciting project for you. Of course, it's all about ice cream. And it is a puffy paint ice cream. Look, you can squeeze the little scoops of ice cream. Come on, let me show you how to make it. To make these puffy paint ice cream paintings, you will need very few things. First of all, you will need PVA glue and shaving foam. These will make up the base of the paint. You will also need some food coloring. Today I'm using red and yellow. To mix the paint, you will need some little pots. Look, I have some empty yogurt pots today. The toothpicks will help us take some food coloring out, and the spoon will be perfect for mixing everything together. You can use a pencil to trace your ice cream out and a brush to spread your paint. Okay then, let's get started. Take an empty pot, your toothpick, and the spoon. Let's make up our first batch of paint. We are going to need equal parts of glue and shaving foam. That means the same amount of glue and shaving foam. Make sure to shake your shaving foam before you squirt it in. There we go. Now we're going to add a little bit of yellow food coloring and mix it all together super well. When you are finished mixing your paint, you can use your paintbrush to take the excess off of the spoon. Then set the yellow to one side. Now it is time to make the red paint. Again, we're going to use equal parts of glue and shaving foam and add a little bit of red food coloring using our toothpick. Then we're going to mix it together with a spoon. Now we are ready to start painting. Take your piece of paper and pencil and trace the outline of your cone. You're going to put the ice cream on top of this. And then start adding some ice cream. First, I did a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Doesn't it look delicious? Next, I decided to make some raspberry ice cream too. I put on a big dollop and spread it with a clean brush. And finally, I decided to mix the two colors. So on my third scoop on the top, I added both the yellow and the pink. When you are finished, you have to let it dry. Wait for about 15 minutes before your ice cream is completely dry. You know it's dry when you touch it and there is no paint on your fingers. See? My finger is clean. Okay, now it's time to decorate the cone. For this you will need some glue and brown paper. Take the brown paper and tear it into tiny little bits. Next, take some glue and spread it all over the triangle that will be our ice cream cone. And now it is time to put little pieces of brown paper all over. Keep adding little bits of glue if you need to, and then fill in the little white blanks with more brown paper. When you are finished, take a brown felt tip marker and trace around the edge. Add some lines across the cone to make it look like a wafer cone. And now you're finished. Here's your beautiful, fluffy, puffy ice cream cone. I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.